Hi and welcome to my first studio vlog. I'm not sure how studio vlogs work, but I thought I'd just give it a try. Today I'm doing some holiday decor, shipping some orders, and taking pictures of my work. I haven't been doing any seasonal decoration for the past few years, as I'm an advocate for sustainable and low-waste living, so it was easier not to do seasonal decorations at all. But this year I decided to use some of the stuff I already own. Books, plants, and string lights. My bookshelf is already color-coded, so I grabbed the red, green, and white books, as well as most of my studio plants and lights. Also, instead of hot chocolate, my morning drink for the past 2 years has been cacao. Today, I'm mixing it with some dirty rose chai, collagen booster, mucuna, and honey. It is a delicious, heart-opening ceremonial drink, and I love starting my days with it. Lately, I've been playing a little singing bowl after my morning meditation. I haven't been big on instruments, but the sound of singing bowls is really something, and this is something I want to learn more about. For now, it's just intuitive playing. Vader is my assistant pretty much all day. But he loves the sound of the printer and he's just the funniest. I really love having him around. Today I'm not only packing prints, but also a very big commission piece I've been working on for the past few weeks. This is a 50 by 70 inch watercolor and gouache painting. As I won't be making prints of it, I didn't scan it professionally. So in order to have some documentation of it, I take a bunch of photographs to later stitch them together in Photoshop. Also, this painting was made in watercolor paper, so it's easy to ship it in a sturdy tube. It's winter time in the city, and today is a gloomy rainy day, so we get very few hours of sunlight. This is everything I got to do in the studio today. I promise I'll get better at doing these studio vlogs. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Bye!